The U.S. Supreme Court will hear the case involving Arizona's controversial immigration law. The justices announced this morning they'll review a lower court's decision that blocks several key parts of Senate Bill 1070. ABC 15's Tim Vetcher shows us why people on both sides of this issue are happy to finally have their day in court.
Nearly 2 years after she signed it into law, Governor Jan Brewer still finds herself dealing with Senate Bill 1070, but the end now appears in sight.
I am confident that the High Court will uphold Arizona's constitutional authority and obligation to protect the safety and the welfare of its citizens.
Last April, the Court of Appeals essentially took the teeth out of 1070 when it ruled Arizona cannot require immigrants to carry their papers at all times. The court also blocked the provision that said police can arrest suspected illegal immigrants without a warrant. Brewer hopes the High Court will reverse those decisions.
It's about the fundamental principles of federalism under which every state has a right to defend its people.
I think Jan Brewer and Russell Pierce were misguided.
Didi Garcia Blaze founded the National Tequila Party movement, an immigration advocacy group. Like the governor, she too is glad the Supreme Court chose to step in, but for very different reasons.
It's good for us because it will force federal lawmakers such as Senator McCain to fix the broken immigration system.
Didi points to states such as Alabama, South Carolina, and Utah, who have all adopted laws similar to Arizona's. She hopes justices will put an end to patchwork immigration reform.
We think it's unreasonable to have 50 different immigration laws across the country.
The case will be heard sometime next year, but an exact date hasn't been set. I'm Tim Vetcher, ABC 15 News.